Hi everybody, welcome back to another unboxing video. So today we have an AM FM portable radio. I went with the color gray, I thought it looked nice. So it's by DreamSky, and as you saw in the box, it's made in China. So I picked it up from Amazon for about 26 bucks. And this is what we got inside. So I just wanted to pick one up for emergencies because this thing can use batteries as well, AA batteries. So let me show you the AC adapter real quick. So it looks like for the AC adapter, this is the input and output in case you were curious. And let's see what else we have here. We have the radio, which is very light, nothing fancy. And we have our operating instructions. Let's see if we can figure it out without reading the instructions. And let's see. We have battery, so it did come with battery, so that's actually great. Main reason why I wanted to pick up this radio was because let's say if the power went out, I'll be able to tune into AM and FM radio frequencies. You know, and looks like this is the bottom, and this is our tuner. We have the on and off and volume at the same time. That's the handle right there. Very lightweight. Oh, looks like we have a headphone jack. So we have the AM FM switch there, and then looks like we have the battery compartment right here in the back. So it takes 4 AA's, which is great. I wanted to go with something that you can use AA batteries because I have a lot of AA batteries. So I thought it'd be practical. So pretty nice, pretty nice. Very light, pretty small. So let's plug it in and give it a quick test. So let's plug it into our 7.5 volt input there. So let's extend the antenna. So I'm on AM right now. So let's give it a test. Turn it on.
Landing, I like to call it Trump Town neighborhoods. Apparently, some of the orders are coming out wrong, and I guess people...
Nice. Sound quality is pretty good in my opinion. Actually not bad, not bad at all.
I hope is middle, but I don't think it's going to be more than that.
He says he envisions a newly imagined downtown Sacramento and waterfront focused on 3 main
funding for housing, plus regulatory relief for all the above.
California's largest homeowners insurance provider will not...
So yeah, for the volume, just kind of playing around with it. Actually pretty good. So here are the batteries. I haven't unwrapped them. But yeah, it came with 4 batteries, so I think it was a pretty good deal. So if this video helps you out, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.